Hello and welcome everyone. Today we are learning about sudo super user. Then we are getting an interactive root shell with sudo. Let's go through practically. Let's open the terminal. View. Let's zoom more and more. Zoom again. Zoom. Hope you can see now. First of all, we go sudo. So and enter password. Now we get root privilege. I'm exit from this root privilege. I'm normal user. Now you might already get some kind of hint altogether. Exit sudo I. We can get easily root without entering any password. But while I insert sudo su, okay, exit. Let's exit altogether and clear. Let's come to the sudo su. Sudo su. Let's come to the topic. The sudo su Internet Office Writer. Exit. I can exit from here. Also exit from here. Okay. Commands. Commands we are using here. Sudo su. For what? Command. It sets up the root environment. Environment exectr exactly like a normal login because of su. What su exactly mean? Su, where su means command ignores the setting made by sudo. Let's come to the next command, sudo I. We already use sudo I. This command actually shares of some detail. It's only set of some detail of root user environment. Okay, I can take environment to one. I'm just writing. Let's come to the topic. Sudo su and sudo I. From both of the command we get sudo privilege, which we already saw. Sudo sudo I. We get root privilege from both commands. But what's the difference is sudo command set up root environment exactly like in login, normal login. It switches to root environment, root user. But in sudo I, it's only it's set up some detail, only some detail of root's user environment. But generally we use sudo su frequently than sudo I. Um, that's it for today. These two are main basic commands for sudo privilege.